Currently, you'll need a browser extension to access Âtrium. In the future, we'll be making connection much simpler and providing access to our own wallet and browser extension. For now, you can install a browser extension from one of these reputable websites. Do ensure you check the SSL certificate and verify the site's authenticity. Browser extensions usually sit in the top right-hand corner of your browser and allow you to connect to websites and sign transactions. Browser extensions offer convenience, but there are security risks associated. Users should only download from trusted sources. Keep extensions updated, and consider using a hardware wallet if you own any significant amount of cryptocurrency. Check the permissions an add-on is asking for, and watch out for any that seem unusual. For more information about online safety and safe storage, check out our articles in the education portal.